IPTracker is a simple IP tracking tool I made a few years ago using Python and the Qt5 libraries for GUI interface and Python Nmap. So you'll want to install these requirements with pip install in your Python environment to get it going. I'm going to show you how to install it on Linux and how to use it. So the first thing you want to do is go to GitHub and download the zip file and extract it. Once you do that, once you extract it, um, you'll have an install script here, so you can just run the install script on Linux, and it'll go ahead and install it for you. So now we should have IPTracker. There it is. And when it comes up, it's you're going to configure a subnet in here. So you click Settings, Add Subnet, give it a name. We'll call this Home, and we'll give it a network IP. So this is the network IP for my home network, and it's a /24. So we'll add this subnet, and here it is, home, and it created the subnet here. So what we want to do now is we can go ahead and scan this network, and what it'll do is it'll start scanning the IP addresses on the network. It'll tell us if it's alive. It'll say alive. If not, it's not going to say anything. And then it's going to give us a host name that it gets from DNS. So this is my home network, so there's obviously not much on here, but this gives you a general overview of how to use it, how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. The only other thing that you can do is you can export this to a CSV file. So if you wanted to export this, you can do that. And there it is. So this CSV file is written. So if I go to take a look at it here, it's just a CSV file that you could do anything with. Oh, well, I guess I should probably open that right here. It's comma separated. Installing on Windows is simple as well. What you want to do is um, make sure that you have your Python environment configured properly. So what you want to do is make sure you have pyqt5, docutils, and Python nmap installed. So we'll check those. I believe they're all installed on this machine. Yep, so they're all installed. If not, install them. And then you want to download the zip file. Once it's downloaded, let's extract it. Okay, and you can put it wherever you want. You don't need to run the install on Windows. You can just run the IPTracker, and there it is. It'll come up for you. And you can see I've already I installed this one time and did a scan, so it already had my database there. The database is held in the config directory, so there it is.